Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will cover how to download Cloud Invoices as well as Cloud Reports on Xvantage. To download a Cloud Invoice, first navigate to My Business on the left panel of Xvantage. Then click on Invoices. Since this is a Cloud Invoice tutorial, we will switch to the Cloud Solutions tab. Once you decide which invoice you are attempting to download, click on the corresponding download icon. When it's finished loading, you can view your invoice in a PDF format. Switching gears to the Cloud Reports, I will navigate back to the home screen. Again, go to My Business, then Cloud Reports. Before we generate a one-time report, I want to mention that Xvantage will automatically create a Cloud report every time you're invoiced. You can find these under the Schedule tab. To create a one-time report, click on Create Report. A provisioned orders report will be an Excel format of everything that was invoiced. Give it a title, select the date range, and lastly, I recommend a short report as I find it has more than enough information for most scenarios. Once the status has changed from in progress to ready, you can use the action icon to download the report. I hope this was helpful. Please be sure to check out some of our other how-to videos.